Hello and welcome to our year-end product release highlights video. My name is Sven Denneken and I'm the CEO of SAP S/4HANA, Head of Product Success, Co-Innovation and Content. Our ongoing mission is to offer our valued cloud customers and partners the best products and innovations, and as usual, our team of engineers have worked tirelessly on accomplishing this goal with our new SAP S/4HANA Cloud 21.11 release. Let's jump right in and find out what my top highlights of this release are. Starting off with our first innovation, manufacturing and supply chain, with the new app Maintain Time-Dependent Stock Levels, you can now display, create and update time-dependent stock levels for the safety stock that you want to hold for specific materials. This is how it works. By defining safety stock levels based on validity intervals, you can dynamically react to varying demands. For example, if you expect a higher demand for a material during certain time periods, and immediately reduce the risk of shortfalls by ensuring a sufficient stocking of products in order to meet the demand over specific periods of time. In our next line of business, service, we've worked on the logistics integration to offer enhanced service order planning based on spare part availability check and reservation. Here, we enable customer service managers to check the available quantities of stock, spare parts, and reserve them for service orders. In case of stock shortage, you can start following up replenishment processes in order to ensure on-time service delivery. Higher accuracy of service order planning leads to increased customer satisfaction. Next in line, we have an innovation for corporate and commercial real estate organizations. SAP Intelligent Real Estate. With this innovation, we offer a single source of truth for the entire real estate portfolio, enabling end-to-end real estate businesses through a streamlined master data model in the cloud. This gives you one solution to perform space management for commercial and corporate requirements and lets you manage buildings and spaces better. You can make intelligent leasing decisions by leveraging a comprehensive contract management solution with financial integration with SAP S/4HANA Cloud. Additionally, embedded analytics support a detailed analysis of costs, revenues, and capacity utilization. Very important in times like these. As always, we continuously invest in our product's intelligence and automation with SAP Intelligent Robotic Process Automation. Check out our IRPA bot store and the Best Practice Explorer to find out how hundreds of bots can help you to meet your automation goal. Watch the Intelligent ERP update video to learn more. A crucial step to success is adapting to our ever-changing environment. Therefore, we keep adapting our SAP Activate methodology to best meet your current business needs. In this release, we have added a new tag for professional services companies that filters the methodology down to the essential tasks and accelerators needed during the activation in this industry. We have also added new assets for Fit to Standard and updated business-driven questionnaires to support this industry even better. And last but not least, let me invite you, as always, to also join the SAP S/4HANA customer community, where you can share your experience, engage with the experts, and get support for your projects. Read the next blog on our Simply check out the new SAP S/4HANA Cloud community to find out more about the SAP S/4HANA Cloud 21.11 release. Make sure to join the SAP S/4HANA movement and benefit from the latest innovation. Thanks for tuning in. Stay safe, stay healthy, and see you next time.